welcome back to the Brotherlyreviews YouTube channel. I'm gonna keep this real short and sweet because, as you guys know, the Acura TL giveaway is over and the car is for sale. So I figured I'm gonna put out as much content as possible with that car before someone comes by to pick it up. So I know you guys wanted like some exhaust clips of it. So I did attach a GoPro to the back of the car. Thank you to my friend Willie who let me borrow it. And that camera is actually gonna be for something a lot more exciting. Plus this camera I got right here, the Insta360. So if you know, you know. But anyway, let's get into a cold start. You know, first thing in the morning, headed to work, and then we'll cut to the GoPro footage of driving around the neighborhood with the camera attached to the back. Get some good exhaust tips, some good ASMR, and hope you guys enjoy. See you guys at the end. You got the cold start and you got some driving footage around the block. Obviously, bringing out the best shot because it's mainly more for sound for you guys to listen to it, but I just kind of attached to the back of the car. I couldn't really get a good angle with the GoPro. First time using it, second time using the Insta360. So hopefully You know, it's a sound that you guys want. Hopefully you guys like what it sounds like. If you are interested in buying the car, all the information is in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and drive safely.